y'all, I know it's been a minute, but I'm back with another wig review and unboxing. And today we are working with LuvmeHair Hair. These are some of the goodies that came in the package, you guys. And they sent me their 7x6 loose body wave layered unit. And I was pleasantly surprised to see what this unit looked like out the box, y'all. Okay, y'all, and this unit does come pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached. As you can see, that looks so freaking good and natural. Like, where is the lace? Literally. And this unit already comes in a side part, so I definitely cannot wait to put this on. Y'all know I love my side parts. This unit is already curled as well, so this is going to be a really easy install. And yeah, also I want to get into how deep the parting is. This is a 7x6 wig, so it's 7 inches wide and 6 inches deep, and you could definitely tell there's a lot of lace space on here, and the part is super deep. If I'm wearing a side part, I like my side part to be super deep and super natural, so I cannot wait to install this, y'all. So don't go nowhere. BRB, stay tuned. Right now I am low-key in a rush because I'm trying to get to the gym before it's busy. So I'm about to throw on this wig, like literally just gonna throw on this wear and go wig, and let's just see what it's giving straight out the box. Okay, we got a little bit of bang action going on right here. That's cute. All right, so this is what it's giving straight out the box. I love that it already comes curled, so literally all I'm really gonna do is just brush these curls out. But I am going to hot comb it just a little bit. Even though this is already really flat, I'm gonna hot comb it just a little bit and put a little bit of makeup right here on my lace where it looks a little white. So once I finished flattening out my wig and my hot comb, I did just go in and recurl some of these front pieces. Even though this wig did come curled, sometimes during shipping, the curls can get a little bit disarranged. So I did just clean up some of those curls in the front. And then I wanted like a deep side part look, so I did part out quite a few baby hairs here. And I'm just hot combing them to lay in place. Then I cut them to the length I liked, and like I said, I'm recurling some of these little pieces right here in the front where they could just be touched up a little bit. Just recurling them to my liking. And yeah. And then I curled up my baby hairs and started laying them. And I really do take my time on this part because I like my baby hairs to look very natural, very good, very flawless. I just like my baby hairs to really look good. So I'm cutting them down, making them look more natural, taking my time. And I just don't rush through my edges. Like, I like my edges to look really good, really natural, really laid, really like fluffy. Like, I just want them to give. Like, so yeah. And then I'm taking some Got to Be Glued here and just kind of, you know, playing around with my side part, with my edges and everything. Adding some more even spray right here where I want my wig to actually be glued down. You can wear this unit glueless, but I personally did not want to wear my unit glueless this day. And yeah, you guys, now at this point all I'm really doing is personalizing my unit to my taste and my liking. But the install is pretty much done at this point. It was very simple, it was very easy. It was already done from the beginning, but I did add my touches to this wig. And you can see here that I'm adding more baby hairs on this side. And yeah, y'all, this is a very quick and easy install. I'm not gonna lie. With this unit being pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached, I didn't have to do too much of anything. So I did have more time to like play around with adding baby hairs and, you know, curling up the bang a certain way. I didn't have to cut any layers because the unit's already layered. So yeah, y'all, this is a super duper easy install that anybody could do. And yeah.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
All right, so when I finally did finish playing with my edges, y'all, I be taking so long to do that. I just combed out these curls with a wide tooth comb, and these curls combed out so freaking pretty. I was so in love at this point. I'm like, this install right here looks like I just left the salon. Like, I look like I just left the salon, and you mean to tell me this is a wig that already came like this? Like, I was really feeling myself combing out these curls, looking at this hair. I'm like, babes, these bombshell curls and these layers right here giving me everything I need. Like, and I'm talking about going to the gym. This don't give going to the gym, this gives going out. I'm like, I'm gonna be in the gym breaking necks. Okay, that's what I want to be doing. And yeah, y'all, that's all I did to this unit. That's the final look, and that is how this unit turned out. And right here I'm just playing with the curls, just looking at the hair in love. Like, this turned out so much prettier than I expected. I knew it was going to be cute, but the layers and these curls together in the side part, oh yeah, it's just, she's taking it, honey. So I did go and put on my gym fit. Y'all can't see the full fit, but it's just my little red gym shorts and my red shirt. And then I'm just continuing to play with this wig because I was just like, this looks so freaking good. I've never had bangs like quite this short, but this look right here looks so freaking good. Like, I could not stop playing in my hair. I'm like, this is like really eating, and I feel like I can't even go to the gym with this hair because this is crazy. But yeah, y'all, the unit came like this. I showed y'all the unit out the box. The lace, I didn't do any plucking, any bleaching, any cutting to the lace. All I did was add my makeup to it. And this unit is just so gorgeous. And this is the length of it in 24 inches, you guys. And this is the layered loose body wave unit, 7x6 glueless wear and go unit from LuvmeHair. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, of course, I'll have the links down below for you guys. And yeah, let me know if y'all get this unit, if y'all plan to get this unit. Let me know what kind of content that you guys want to see, because I know I've been MIA on this channel, but it's because I've been on TikTok. And if y'all don't follow me on there, y'all definitely should, because that's where all the wigs are I've been reviewing lately are. And I know y'all want to see Amazon wigs, and I do have a lot of Amazon wigs at my house ready to be installed, you guys. Like, I kid you not, I have plenty of Amazon wigs for you guys. And I do plan on getting to that content as well, but I've been super busy with TikTok, so I am transitioning and making my way back over here slowly. So y'all, please stay tuned for that content, the Amazon wig content, reviews and installs, because those are on the way, you guys, I promise. And thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Love y'all so much. Bye.